Talk 39, pinch points. There are certain machines with dangerous parts that cause many injuries. Every year, they crush hands and arms, not only in factories, but also in homes and on construction sites. Sometimes, they even kill. We are talking about machines with rollers. When two rollers move toward each other, the danger is there. Pinch points may not look dangerous. The rollers may move smoothly and quietly. But if a hand, a finger, or even a shirt sleeve gets too close, the rollers will grab it and they will pull it in. These machines are experts at crushing anything in their path. Much has been done to design guards to protect pinch points. In some cases, perfect protection is possible. In others, it is not so easy. Here the supervisor may give examples of roller-type equipment used in your company. But let's be clear, there is no reason any worker should be injured by these machines. The key is learning how to work safely. These are exactly the machines where accident prevention rules must always be followed. Because wherever there are pinch points, there is danger. This is true both at work and at home. Many housewives have crushed their fingers in old washing machines that used rollers. Children too are in those statistics. Even husbands trying to help at home have suffered the same accidents. When washing machines were hand-operated, the danger was smaller. If fingers were caught, the person could stop the rollers quickly. But when motors were added, the risk increased. Many early models had no protective device at all. Later, a mechanism was invented that released the top roller when a hand was caught, before it could crush the bones. Anyone using machines like these must take great care. Metal bending machines and rolling mills are also known to grab hands. They rarely have guards. A guard would interfere with the pinch point and with the work. So the best protection is to stay away from the rollers whenever possible. Something should be designed to keep people from getting too close. Training is vital, and so is a strong habit of caution. Despite these challenges, there is no reason for operators to get hurt. Machines that can be guarded must have guards. Machines that cannot require extra precautions. Protective devices must always be kept in perfect condition. Pinch points will stop being dangerous only when they are treated with respect and when every precaution is taken.